One of the key questions I get is how can you read faster? And the key that I teach everybody is it's exercise. It's just exercise. Reading skill is like any skill that you want to maintain and get better at. Getting better skills in sports is just about practicing and doing your exercising and following the advice of your coach. If you want to get better at playing a guitar or a piano, it's just exercises, it's just practices. And it's the same that applies to books. A man who reads one book a year does not have the same reading skills as a man who reads one book a week. Of course not, because a man who reads one book a week, he is able to read 52 times better than the person who's reading one book a year. But the person who's reading one book a year, he can easily get better, and just by reading maybe 5 books a year and then growing that to 10 books a year and going to 20 books a year, he can easily go on and get better. But he will never have the same skills if he just maintains that one book a year. He needs to read a lot more, and when he's getting to be reading maybe one book a week or even 2 books a week, he can easily go faster. And